Hey guys, welcome back and welcome to today's video. Today we are putting a sponge filter into Khonshu's tank for both him and his tank mates. Khonshu lives with 4 amano shrimp and they would all do much better and live a much more fulfilled life with a sponge filter added. Sponge filters are perfect for oxygenating water through surface agitation, aiding in the exchange of CO2 and oxygen. I will now turn off the existing filter. And the lid pops off like so. Easier said than done. As you can see, it desperately needs a water change. I will be moving Khonshu's heater so it is better hidden within this tank. The heater is currently in this corner and is being moved behind here. I will now disconnect the heater, remove it and move it. I want Khonshu's tank to look much more natural and anything that isn't hidden within the scape. I can see Khonshu being mad at me for ruining his scape. I'm going to use a toothbrush to clean off any bacterial and algae blooms. I'm using the water from Khonshu's tank because it's already filled with beneficial bacteria and does not contain harsh chemicals such as chlorine or harsh levels of pH, KH and GH, which is commonly found in tap water. The tank is less than a month old, and as you can see there have been algae blooms and bacterial blooms, but this is common and known as new tank syndrome. Now that it is clean, I'm going to use my centerpiece of driftwood to hide the heater behind it to make the tank have a more natural and neat look to it. This plant here is Anubias nana and I just love Anubias plants, hence having so many in this tank. Basic plants for a basic fish owner. The heater will go in here like so. See, much more neater and well hidden. This is a coconut hut with Anubias attached to it. Perfect hidey hole for Khonshu. Bettas love coverage and hidey holes, and this one is just perfect for him. I've even caught him sleeping underneath it at nights. Looks much better, and now it's time to clean the algae off the side of the tank with the same toothbrush technique as before. I originally gave Khonshu the Elite Stingray 5, perfect for a 40 to 90 litre tank. However, I found that he just struggled to navigate the waters, so I'm deciding to go with bubbles. This plant here is Java Fern, and I don't think it fits the aesthetic anymore, so eventually it will go to a new home. And this here is my new sponge filter. It is super tiny and super cute, although do not let size fool you. The bubbles are as agitated as ever. This filter comes with its own tubing, and I also have my tubing from my air pump. So the sponge filter connects to tubing, which connects to the valve, which connects to more tubing, which connects to the air pump, and the air pump is what gives us our power. Now for the moment of truth. So here I could hear something, but there were no bubbles. So me being smart decided to flip the valve, and lo and behold, this was perfect for Khonshu and his tank mates. I have a few ideas to make this scape even better, so please stay tuned for more videos and updates. Be sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Khonshu seemed to swim much better, he seemed happier, the water looked cleaner. It was a wee bit messy to begin with because of the scape being disturbed a little bit, but the water slowly began to clear and it looked great. So as you can see, after just one day, Khonshu, like I said before, is happy, he's healthy, he swims much better, the tank looks absolutely amazing, and I can't wait to do more updates in the future. And just look at how happy he is when he swims. Personally, I love the white noise from this filter. It is so relaxing at night. It's a nice addition to the room. It's a lot more atmospheric. However, if you don't like the sound of white noise constantly, adding an air stone to your sponge filter will do wonders. That's all from us this time. Like I said, be sure to turn on notifications and that bell, subscribe, like, do all that stuff. Comment down below what you want to see next, and we will be back soon with another fish tank update. See ya!